Tea, Medicinal Beginnings to Boston Harbor Splash. Tea was originally used as a medicinal drink in China, and it was not until the 3rd century CE that it became a daily beverage. The first tea seeds were brought to Japan by Buddhist monks who had studied in China, and they also introduced the Zen ritual of tea drinking. The first European to encounter tea was probably the Portuguese Jesuit priest Jasper de Cruz, who visited China in 1560 and wrote about the Chinese tea culture. The word tea comes from the Amoy dialect of Chinese, te, which was the pronunciation used by the Dutch traders who first imported tea to Europe in the 17th century. The Boston Tea Party of 1773 was a political protest by American colonists against the British tax on tea, which led to the dumping of 342 chests of tea into the Boston Harbor. The British introduced tea cultivation to India in 1836, using smuggled seeds and plants from China, in order to break the Chinese monopoly on tea. The invention of tea bags in the early 20th century was accidental, when a New York tea merchant named Thomas Sullivan sent his customers samples of tea in small silk bags, which they mistakenly steeped in hot water.